So I've got my retainer cleaner here. It cleans really so much more than that. It cleans night guards, which is what I use it for. Also jewelry, your toothbrushes, things like that. It's real simple to use. It does come with some little tongs to go ahead and take out any jewelry or fine items that you might have inside here. You can see here it's all stainless steel. There's a line there that says max. So that's the maximum amount of liquid that you want to put in there. Right here, we do have some UV lights. There's actually 4 of these. And then we have 2 openings. So if you want to, you can go ahead and put your toothbrush in there. Just pushes it in just like that. It's just real easy to do. And it's simple to use. On the top here, this is where we have our power button. When you press it and hold it down for a long press, we've got 4 modes. Now the first mode is at 5 minutes, but if you press it again, it's going to be at 10 minutes. And all these are a combination of the vibration, which is at 48 kilohertz, and the UV light. So when you're ready to clean something, I just put water in there. For instance, I'm going to put my night guard. I like to put a little tablet in there. That cleans a lot better than just plain water. We're going to go ahead and shut it, turn it on, and then let it run. As it's running, it's counting down. I can also hear it vibrating, and you can see the UV lights. If I open it up just a little bit, you can see the lights inside there. Now that it's almost finished, you'll see the timer is counting down to 0, and then it stops, and everything turns off. You take out my retainer. Now it's all clean. I do this daily. It definitely keeps it clean. When I put jewelry in here, it's amazing how much of a difference it makes. Super easy to use, compact when you're not using it. You just empty it out, clean it, and put it away. Hope you found this helpful.